Their curl pattern is beautiful, juicy. In this video, I do show you the entire install from start to finish. So if you want to see that, I will insert that here. So if you're interested in the specs, how I feel about the hair, the pros and cons about the hair, I will include that at the end of the video. You can always check the timestamps down below.
Suicide door, brand new bag. College girls give it in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, they hate and you can't miss what you never had. Hey, hey, off the juice, got me tripping. Cut the coupe, Walker roof is missing. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping. Ice, lemonade, my neck was dripping.
Okay, so now that you see me install this hair, let's get into it. I do like the presentation. Number one, I love the fact that it came with free gifts. I did get a brush, a rat tail comb. I love that these are branded. It's very official. Branding is everything. Like, take notes even if you have a brand. Now, to get into the construction of the wig, I believe this is a medium cap size. I do have to say that if you're typically a medium, you might want to size up. So I typically wear medium cap size in all my other wigs, but for this one, it didn't really fit the way I prefer. When I pull the wig down to cut the lace before I lay it, it didn't come all the way down. Like, typically I like my lace to come down a little more here. It's stopping right here, so I had to make sure I went in and secured that area really well because I don't have that extra lace. Like, I like ear tabs. I'm not really getting ear tabs with this. I'm just getting like just enough lace to pull it down over my ear. So as far as the rest of the lace, I do have enough to cover my hairline. So it's not terrible, but if you're someone that, like me, that likes a little bit more room, I would suggest sizing up. As far as this texture, the texture is beautiful. You can see I had already bleached the knot. So when I took it out of the box, it looked tore up, although it wasn't. All it took was some water and some products, and boom, the curls are activated. So the texture is bomb. I'm not really getting much shedding. It's curly hair, so it's gonna shed like typical, but it's nothing excessive. Now when it comes to the knots, I was able to bleach these knots really well. As you can see, they lifted pretty good. Even the hairline, as far as the hairline though, it is not pre-plucked and it could use some plucking. First hand, first thoughts, first look, this is a nice wig. The only suggestion I would have is to size up. That's like the only thing I didn't like. Once I got into the baby hairs, once I got into those, all I used was edge control. Get into this edge control. This will be available on my website very soon. Stay tuned for that. But it's the baby hairs for me. Yeah, the baby hair saved this look. But yeah, you guys wanted to see this. Here it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what the back looks like. It is a bob. And I told y'all I really wasn't doing short hair for it because I did short hair for so long and I'm over it. But this is what you wanted, and I'm gonna bring y'all what y'all want and what y'all need. Check all the links down in the description box in case there's anything that I forgot to mention. And I will see you in my next video.